Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited because of two reasons. First one is this is my first vlog, and today we are going to cover Great Conjunction. After 800 years we are getting this between Jupiter and Saturn. Now from here we will go to Science Center, Karwar, and from there we will go to observation point and we can see the conjunction. Okay, so up to end please be with me and let's watch the conjunction. Okay. Okay, we have reached Science Center. Now we will meet the staff here and then we'll go to observation point. Let's go. So here we have coordinator of Science Center, Sanjeev Deshpande sir, and because of his permission now we are shooting this and we are observing today's conjunction also. So thank you sir for your permission. So now we have two more staff here and they are very helpful. So here we have Raghavendra Gowda, he is also working here, he is a staff, and here we have Akshay Naik, he is also working here, and this is the staff, and here we have one more staff, and all are very helpful. And now we are going to install the telescope out there in the observation point, then we'll see the further progress. Okay, let's go and see the telescope. We have already settled it outside. Okay, as you can see here, we have a telescope. It is a reflecting telescope. Means here we are using mirrors. So it is very unique, and in every science center you can see this. And now we will carry this to the observation point. From there, we will see the conjunction, great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, and then I will explain remaining things. Okay? Right. Yeah, we have reached the observation point here, and you can see the crowd. Now today it is 21 and the angle is now just 6 arc minutes, means 0.1 degree. So at one side, in the one shot, you can see both the planets. Jupiter as well as Saturn. So it is rare occasion. All are having their chance, and further update we will give. So we are using actually a 10-inch telescope, a reflecting telescope here from Science Center. They have arranged it, and for further update, watch the video. Okay.
Okay guys, here we are trying to focus both the planets. Now yeah, we can see Saturn as well as Jupiter. Also we can see 4 moons of the Jupiter here. Today their angle is 6 arc minute, that is 0.1 degree. They are very nearby one another, so this is called great conjunction. And today we are on the line along with the Jupiter and Saturn. They are along same line, we are all okay. Because of that we are getting this opportunity. So now every 20 years this happens with Jupiter and Saturn, but because of our odd position we don't get that scenario. So this year we are very lucky, although 2020 is it was horrible. Still, for this opportunity in astrophysics, it is very great, because after 800 years we are getting this. Now 4 moons also you can see, namely one is Europa, second one is Ganymede, third one is from the top, okay, third one is Io, and fourth one is Callisto. In 1610 Galileo discovered these satellites. Okay, Ganymede is it is what biggest satellite in the solar system only. Its size is more than Mercury and Pluto. Then he used his refracting telescope to find out these satellites he discovered using his refracting telescope. And just it was 20x power, and today we are using 100x power satellite. Sorry, today we are using 100x power telescope here, a reflecting telescope. This is not refracting, it is using reflecting telescope, means mirror we are using, convex mirror. Okay. Now one more thing is Jupiter as well as Saturn. We are here you can see big ring around that Saturn. It's very beautiful, and we are very lucky to have this today, and we are capturing it. So many are waiting for their turn in the line, and here we got the opportunity to record this. One more point I want to tell you here, still I have time a little bit. So telescope gives inverted image, and for that we have proof here. We have taken photos also, and we will compare these things, these photos, images with photos taken using our camera also. We have camera also here, so using camera we have taken some photos, and when you compare these photos from camera and telescope, you can see the difference. They are inverted. Using telescope we get inverted image. Now to get this idea clearly, to have clear idea, we have taken photo of moon also from telescope and from our camera. So in the telescopic image, moon is upside down, means inverted. That is the difference. In the camera we get proper image, okay, and in telescope we get inverted image.
Okay, it was a fun experience, amazing experience for me watching this conjunction. For more videos, subscribe my channel, and I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet next time.